Hello friends, welcome to Manutec Sound channel. So today we are going to discuss about some of the basic tips and important tips of Audacity software because many of the people are using Audacity. Whoever is beginner in the YouTube or content creator or any corrections and editing in podcast, they are liking to work in Audacity software. Let us discuss some important area of the Audacity software. So nowadays Audacity is giving more updates and the look and feel also very nice nowadays, and you can also change the themes. Let us discuss those details in software. Let us go to the screen. Hello friends, welcome to Manutec Sounds. I'm the channel. We are going to discuss today Audacity. Audacity is a free software, we know that, and maximum number of people are using. Whoever is beginner and even professional people also using Audacity because nowadays Audacity is updating many of the options in the application. It is having a plenty of effects updating very fast and with so many other plugins. So Audacity general generally people use whoever is not able to afford the paid version softwares or license version software, so they will go to Audacity. We can also edit in Audacity very nicely, though it is open source. Okay, so there are nice updates in Audacity. So today we were going to discuss some important tips of Audacity. Okay, if you see in this application, so this is application looks like, and here if you go to the edit page, okay, so let me show you. In this edit page, if you go to the not edit page, yeah, of course edit page. So if you go to the preferences, okay, and you will get the window like this. Okay, in this window if you see here theme light and classic is basically our default theme, and light, dark, custom, high contrast. So through this you can change your look and feel or color uh, management you can do in the look and feel of the application. Okay, and then let me close this window. So in this application generally we can download outside plugins. Okay, outside means third party plugins we can download, which we can use in Audacity. If I go to here effects, there is a plugin manager in the top. Okay, if you click on this option plugin manager, you'll get the window like this. In this window you can see some plugins related to VST, VST3, also some .dll, .ny extension plugins you can see here. You can also call plugins as well as audio effects. Number of options you can see here. Okay, so if you installed newly any new plugin from third party, okay, once you open Audacity you simply have to come here and you have to click on this rescan so that your all plugins will appear in Audacity, so that you can use the Audacity, you can use the application in Audacity, you can use the plugins in Audacity. So how to access those plugins and effects in Audacity? Say for example, if I click on the record button, okay, some audio will get recorded here simply like this. How it is recording you can see. Okay, and I'm stopping this area. So if you see your left hand side basically on the screen, okay, you see here effects button. If you click the effect button, you can see the option called add effects. If you click the add effects, then you will see here there are some plugins are available, and a system is highlighting the VST and VST3 because the plugins whatever I have or belongs to VST and VST3. Okay, apart from that you can also have a button called get more effects. Okay, through this you can go into more effects and more plugins. And in the top you can see Audacity means whatever the default application default effects are there, that you can see something like bass, treble, compressor, distortion, limit, phase, reverb. Okay, all these things are there in the Audacity by default. VST is a third party plugins and VST3 also third party plugins which I have installed. Okay, and get more effects. If you click on get more effects, you will see a website. You will see a website called Muse Hub. Okay, this Muse Hub belongs to I think it is linked to Audacity, and you can also get more plugins and options here in this if you click on this download option. Okay, let me close this window. So all these things are basically third party applications which generally we can use in our Audacity. So basically we have here one dialog. Okay, just created this dialog now. So how to apply plugins on this dialog? I'm not going to use a specific one, I'm just showing you how to apply plugins on this clip. So you have to, okay, first you have to select this is how it is selecting the clip. Once you click that, and you can also see here there is add effects or effects, both are same. Okay, if I close this, and you can also have effects over there. Okay, so if you click the effects button, then again it is open in the same small window where you can apply the effects. Okay, then click on add effects. I can see here different type of effects which I have in my system. Okay, so if I go to here, say for example, let me listen to this audio first one time. Some audio will get recorded here simply like this. Okay, to avoid the background noise, what I'm doing, I click on add effects. So first of all I have to select this part and click on add effects, click on VST, whatever that you have. I'm just clicking here isotope, and there are so many other options are available in this. So I'm selecting one option here called repair assistant. Okay, and then system will show a small window which is basically a pertaining to that repair assistant. Okay, small option it is showing here. If you double click there, okay, and then system will show here options related to that plugins. Okay, so in this we have a different option according to the RX, and then you can enable, I'm enabling here some TS, and if you want you can listen that by pressing spacebar. Some audio will get recorded here simply like this. Okay, and if you want to apply, you can simply close this part. That's it. That's how we can enable the plugins in Audacity. Okay, so that's it the video. So if you have any doubts, or if you want more tips and also, just comment me, so we'll respond on that comment. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment.